To make a redirect store from Shopify to WooCommerce, start by preparing your Shopify store for migration. This involves exporting your products, customers, and orders from Shopify. You can do this by going to the Shopify admin panel, then clicking on the Settings option and selecting the Export option to download your store data. Next, set up your WooCommerce store by installing the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. Configure the basic settings such as currency, payment gateways, and shipping options to match your Shopify store. Install a migration plugin such as Cart2Cart or Shopify to WooCommerce migration tool to transfer your data from Shopify to WooCommerce. These plugins will help you to import your products, customers, and orders into your WooCommerce store. Map your Shopify store data to the corresponding WooCommerce fields to ensure a smooth transition. This includes mapping product categories, customer information, and order status. Once the migration is complete, test your WooCommerce store to ensure that everything is working as expected. Check that your products are displaying correctly, payment gateways are working, and orders are being processed correctly. Finally, set up a 301 redirect from your Shopify store to your WooCommerce store to ensure that your customers are directed to the new store. You can do this by editing your website DNS settings or using a plugin such as Yoast SEO to set up redirects. By following these steps, you can successfully migrate your store from Shopify to WooCommerce and minimize any disruption to your business. Remember to test your store thoroughly and set up redirects to ensure a smooth transition for your customers.